The S-Series line of chemical metering pumps has been revolutionizing the industry. Customers love the 5-inch touchscreen display, the intuitive software, and the enhanced automation features. The installation process has been simplified with the addition of the new IP67 rated M12 connection ports. And for those who have existing systems who want to integrate these new S-Series pumps easily, we've got you covered. Introducing the S-Series converter box from Blue White. The converter box is a junction box specifically designed to ease the installation of our S-Series chemical metering pumps in applications where the conduit runs to the pump. The converter box will convert the electrical wiring into M12 cables that are easily connected to the pump, simplifying your installation process and providing easier access to wiring during maintenance. The converter box's enclosure is rated NEMA 4X to protect against harsh environments. There are 6 10-foot IP67 rated M12 cables pre-installed, and we've included wall mounting brackets to simplify your installation. The converter box installation is simple. Mount the converter box at your desired location. Connect the wiring from the conduit to the push-connect terminal blocks mounted inside the enclosure. Connect the M12 connectors to your new S-Series chemical metering pump, and your pump is good to go. We've designed the converter box with the operator in mind, and we back it with our 1-year warranty. Buy our S-Series converter box with your next S-Series chemical metering pump to simplify your installation. At Blue White, we're simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement through innovation. For more information, please visit blue-white.com.